top 5 best WordPress plugins 2020. So guys, before I begin guys, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorials, plugin reviews, and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing over here, and let's begin. So let's get back to the top 5 best WordPress plugins 2020. So guys, there might be a lot of plugins, okay, but let's go to the basics. So what I use on my website. So currently this is my website, yavarkhan.com. Looks very decent, gets tons of traffic. So what kind of plugins do I use? Because ultimately you want to know what the professionals use, so I'm going to show you that. And guys, I use Bluehost, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. 70% discount, link is down below. I'm not trying to sell you things, yes I am, but then this is for you. Much better, very easy to use. You can install WordPress in 5 seconds. 5 seconds guys. Do it right now, and you don't even have to remember any of your WordPress passwords. That's one more cool thing. So see Yavar Khan and just click on WordPress, boom, my website's there. So top 5 best WordPress plugins. Let's open my paint. Don't save, or maybe I can open something else. Okay, yeah. So now I would go in. So there's an, anyways I could see an issue, but then I can fix it later. Go on plugins. So let's get back. So currently I'm using Astra theme, one of the best themes. So that's not a plugin. I use auto optimize. So basically what it does is helps me compress my CSS, my JavaScript, so and HTML. So it helps you increase your website speed. So you could say auto optimize. I use Bloom. So basically if you go open my website, it's an email opt-in plugin by Elegant Themes. I have a discount for this as well. I think so 20%. You can go and check out. So if you go open my website, you could see this one coming in, this one, even over here, and even over here. So I use Bloom. Bluehost is, again, I use Bluehost. I have Elegant Themes, so basically it updates Bloom. I'm using Astra theme, so Elementor, which helps me edit the pages of my website. So I use Elementor. I use iTheme Security and Monarch. You could use Wordfence as well. Both of them are really good. Real Simple SSL, and I use Thrive as well. So I'm just going to update this. And WP Rocket and Yoast. So for me, I think so if you want to just start out, Yoast for SEO, WP Rocket for cache. And as you could see, I don't use any backup plugin because Bluehost does it for me automatically. So again, it's a really good hosting, 70% discount. Okay. And then I would say Elementor. It's a page builder, helps me edit my pages. SSL. So basically it's a plugin which implements SSL. So I already have a SSL on Bluehost, but there are some times where I upload images or some plugins which don't use SSL, so it forces them to use SSL, which makes my website look really cool. So you could see a padlock green SSL. It shows that my website is secure. So that's it. And then so 1 2 3 4, and then you could use iTheme or WordFriend, iTheme / WordFriends for hackers. Okay, it prevents from hackers. So these are the top 5, but this is what I use on my website. So I hope this video is really helpful, and if it's really helpful, kindly subscribe and like and comment, and also please do comment what videos you want to see, because I am posting videos every day guys. I am on fire. Anyways, so the free bonus I told you guys, so I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. I also show you techniques to get free traffic. I tell you the best themes, the best plugins, each and everything step by step, so you could create an awesome professional website. And I also tell you how you could start making money chiching out of creating websites. And I hope you really like the video, and thanks for watching. And now I'm just going to fix this issue. So I'm very finicky where if I find some issue, I'm going to fix it. And always update your plugins, that's for sure. And thanks for watching, and I would see you in the next video. Yavar Khan signing off.